एमपीटीत कोळशाची हाताळणी 50% कमी करपाच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान हालींच दिल्ल्या निवेदनाचेर उच्च पांवड्यार चर्चा चालू आसा। कार्यपद्धत पुराय जातकर जनते सामकार दवरतले म्हण माहिती एमपीटीचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर ई रमेश कुमार हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Spoken that there's going to be a 50% reduction. Have you received any correspondence to that effect? Has anything started in the pipeline?
What is that, 50%?
A reduction of coal transportation.
See, all this is being handled at a very high level, and when all the issues and all the modalities are complete, then it will be obviously put forward for the public.
Are you also searching for alternate cargo so that you can?
We always work for that. That is one of our cardinal means to diversify our cargo, our activities. That's always there.
So one more thing is that this MPT after iron ore thing also you are facing losses. So what are your projections for next coming financial year?
See, projections, we make an endless endeavor to see that MPT grows, number one. We also have a sizable employee population, retired employee population. We make all out efforts to see that MPT grows, as well as the environmental issues that needs to be addressed are addressed in all its totality. Our tireless efforts are towards to making it a very clean, neat and an endurable port. That's what I want to say.
Sir, pre-COVID and post-COVID, your employment strength has gone down as far as MPT is concerned?
No. Fortunately, touch wood, by God's grace, we were able to give endless continuous services during the COVID period. All of you are aware that our hospital also has been put to as a COVID care center. So we are always working for the state of Goa. With the state of Goa.
So this coal, how many people are actually involved in coal handling as far as MPT is concerned?
How many people that we have? One cannot say. There are many people. Private port handlers are there. They employ so many people. We don't handle coal directly. I mean, MPT in its MPT's original purpose, I mean to say. So JSW and Adani, I can't exactly give you what numbers they have.
What is the progress made on the ropeway project between MPT and Donapala?
We are working hard on it, and I am sure that Goa is going to get a huge benefit, more so vis-a-vis tourism from MPT's point of view also. We are working on the international cruise terminal, domestic cruise terminal, the ropeway project, the RoRo, RoPax and the ferry services. That is high on our agenda, and we are tirelessly working for it. Our Minister, Shri Mansukh Bhai Mandaviya ji, is on an everyday basis, he monitors that project. So we work.
Any timeline has been fixed for any?
Timelines are always there. Let us see that it happens at that.